As you know, I'm Ahmed Nadeem, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is about, the difference between gerund and infinitives, along with participles, right? So we will have to know about, the functions, and after the functions, you will have to get these things inculcated in your mind as well, like what it functions as, the gerund separately and the participle, right? As you know, apparently they both are same. That's why it is always difficult, especially in the field of English, to make difference between this participle and gerund. They are formed, the gerunds are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. And same is the case with participle. That's why the people are confused regarding this. Apparently same as I mentioned earlier, but in functions both are totally, you can say, different, right? The function of a gerund is of a noun. That's why we call it verbal noun as well sometimes, because it is verb, base form of the verb with an ing is a noun. That's why the people name it as verbal noun. And the function of a participle is of a progressive verb, a complete progressive verb, we can say, and sometimes of a modifier, right? A modifier, we call it adjective in parts of speech, right? And when you look at the examples, the things get clearer. Like if I say swimming is my hobby, okay? If I say swimming is my hobby, the word swimming does not represent any sort of verb here, or it is not functioning a verb here, but it is the name of some activity, some exercise, something else. And whenever we talk like this, that when I call him, he was swimming, or let's say he was swimming when I called him. So in this sentence, the term swimming represents a verb here, because it is showing a progressive action, an action in progress, and that's why we call it a progressive verb. There are many other examples, like let us go dancing to the club. Dancing is not an action here, but it is the name of some activity.